Boil 1½ glass of rice. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Two tablespoons of vinegar. 2 tablespoons of ghee as well. Like, share, subscribe. It's 90% cooked. Add food color in egg and beat it. Now add ghee in a pan and spread egg in it. It's cooked, set aside. Add 1 cup of oil in it. Now add 1 small side chopped onion. Once it's translucent, add chicken in it. Let it golden. Now add veggies in it. Firstly, I add capsicum. Potatoes, carrots, and peas. Cook it on low flame. Now add 2 tablespoons of chili sauce. Two tablespoons of soy sauce. And vinegar 1 tablespoon. One tablespoon of salt. One tablespoon of red chili flakes. Fried rice powder. And 2 tablespoons of chicken powder. Let it cook on low flame for 5 minutes. Now add boiled rice. Prepared masala. Chicken powder. Remaining rice. Food color. Prepared eggs. Coriander. One tablespoon of chili sauce and soya sauce. Cover with lid and let it cook on low flame for 10 minutes. It's ready. Mix it properly too. Enjoy and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you soon.